Like online tutorial. Now before us is this expression and we're told to simplify. Now first of all, let us note that when we have any number like negative a, it means negative 1 times a. Okay, now if this is true, and also according to SORD, when you have AB, it is the same thing as saying the square root of A times the square root of B. Alright, now we will need to apply this rule in this simplification process. Alright, first of all, the square root of negative 48 can be rewritten as negative 1 times 48, then minus the square root of negative 1 times 27. You can still split it further this way. We have the negative 1 now times the square root of 48, then minus the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 27. Okay, and we know that the square root of negative 1 equals to the complex number I. So here we have that I, then times, simplifying to 48, this will give us 3 times 16. Okay, and for us to simplify it, it means you have to have two numbers in which one of the number is a perfect square. So here we have I, then times the square root, we have 3 times 9. Okay, here we still have I raised to the power, times the square root of 3 times the square root of 16, then minus I times the square root of 3 times the square root of what? 9. The square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 9 is 3. So here we have I times root 3 times 4. Now take away I times root 3 times 3. Now that's because root 9, the square root of 9 is 3. So we can write this as 4 root 3I. Now take away 3 root 3I. So in this case, all you need to do, now you can see we have the same term, root 3I, root 3I, then 4 minus 3 is 1. So we end up having root 3I. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.